Okay, I had the guy over today to work on this bedroom. It's not done. He spent all day and still not done. I think I could have worked faster. And I think I could have done a better job, honestly. So this is the threshold to my room. He left this huge gap between the boards and put a screw in the floor. He put screws. This, like, who puts screws in flooring planks? I'm just, what? Why? I'm really irritated. And then the closet also looks terrible. The connection between the planks is just loose and gross and looks bad. So yeah, I'm not happy with this work. He has to finish the board, the edging board. You see it sticking out a little bit. He's got to cut it and finish nailing and finish some things, and then work on the light. Oops, I can't do because it's on. But I asked him to fill in, like, take out that light fixture, fill in the hole, and put in the new one. And I'm kind of like, I don't know if I trust him to do that. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna have to hire somebody to fix this because it looks terrible. Welcome to my life.